Sit back and enjoy another excerpt from Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by William Zain. Today, we're diving into how to use NotebookLM for research, and we'll use Olympic National Park as our example. What makes NotebookLM so unique is that it doesn't search the entire internet or rely on old training data. Instead, it focuses only on the sources you give it. You can upload or link to specific articles, PDFs, or websites, and the AI will stick to those when answering your questions. That makes it perfect for digging into specific topics, whether you're planning a trip, analyzing data, writing a paper, or just exploring your own content more deeply. So here's how I used it to explore Olympic National Park. First, I added 3 sources: an article from my own travel website, I Wish You Were Here, the official National Park Service page for the park, and the Wikipedia page. Once those were uploaded, I asked NotebookLM for a high-level summary of the tour. The AI read through all 3 resources and gave me a neat, well-rounded overview, combining information from each. Then I decided to try out a newer feature, creating an audio version of that summary. I clicked on Deep Dive Conversation, then hit Generate. NotebookLM came back with a 20-minute audio segment, delivered in a friendly, easygoing tone. It sounded just like something you'd hear on a podcast or as background narration for a travel video. And here's the cool part. It can generate audio in over 50 languages. The research possibilities are pretty much limitless. You can ask about specific places you've visited, or like I did, simply say, suggest an alternate route through the park to explore new places. It came up with a great idea, a detour through different types of forests, including the Hoh rainforest, which gets over 12 feet of rain each year. Honestly, I'm not sure how I missed that on my trip. That's just a small taste of what's possible with an AI tool that's trained on your own materials. Whether you're researching a destination, writing something new, or trying to pull insights from a big pile of content, NotebookLM makes the whole process faster and easier. Want to learn more about practical tools like this? Check out Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by William Zain, available now on Amazon.